of your cells have the cell membrane around them, except for, of course, the red blood cells, because they don't have a membrane. All the cells that have membrane have this amazing membrane around them. So that way, when your body is trying to heal from autoimmune disease, your cells, they send the signal to the cell membrane, and if your cell is flexible, it's going to receive that signal and do its job. But if your cell is really rigid, then the signal is going to come and bounce off, and the cell is never going to get the message to heal from the disease. So there are people who work out a lot, but they can't build muscle, and this is the reason. And when you eat and the right foods and the right amounts that we teach you here, this is how healing happens. You can create these healthy cells where nutrients go in, metabolic waste comes out, and then the hormones can go in and make your cells function better. You absorb nutrients, eliminate waste, have healthy levels of L-glutamine and ATP. When you have inflamed cells, you cannot absorb nutrients, you cannot eliminate waste, you have low and unhealthy levels of L-glutamine. So this is what's actually happening in the cells that are unhealthy. Everything that we're teaching you in this program, because it works, and there's no reason why you wouldn't get better when other people have. So when you have healthy cells, you have a lot of antioxidants in your cells, and it helps your cells function properly, helps you to get rid of heavy metals from the body. It helps you get rid of reactive oxygen species. So that's why healthy cells contain high levels of it, okay? And high levels of ATP, which gives you energy. So that's what I want to talk about. Let me just stop sharing my screen and let me know if you have any questions. Okay, great. So it was great seeing everyone. Thank you all for coming. And then we'll post the recording under the events section. And we're looking forward to seeing you in the next Saturday for a class, how to boost your brain power. And then also, Paria will talk to you you can go on our next meeting, okay? Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.